Hi there. Today I'm going to share how you can manage plugins themes on multisite. So if you are working as a fresher or if you have no experience with multisites, then you might having some trouble to manage theme and plugins from your website if it's the multisite. So if you are on dashboard under themes or plugins tab, you might not able to active, deactive or delete any themes or plugins. So let's see how you can do that. And you must have the main site access, otherwise you will not be able to manage. So I have a single site under called dedicate sugar under the my main multi-site. So that is the main site. That is the plugins, and here I can add a new plugin. So let's active a new plugin. Search for like WooCommerce, or you can search for a simple plugin. It's just up to you. Or you can install a page builder. It's totally fine. So here is the WooCommerce. So let's try a very lightweight plugin, or maybe a little bit lighter compared to WooCommerce. Then we can try like Elementor. And some plugins might not support multisite. You will have to make sure the plugins is support multisite. Most popular of the plugin is support multisite, so you might not having issue. But if you are using a plugin from new author, then you might be having trouble. So it's active for the networks. That means if you have multiple website under a single multisite, this plugin will be available for all the website. So let's go to our this website, and under the plugins, we'll see the Elementor is active. So if I would like to deactive from there, I have no access to deactive from there. I can just only go to a simple settings or something like that from there. But if I would like to deactive or delete or something like that, I will go to multisite, go to plugins, and from there I have to deactive. So let's click to deactive. So it's deactive. But if we go to our single website, go to there, it's not deactive. That's why the plugin was not available to delete from there. So if we deactive from there, that means the child site is not using this plugin anymore. Now it should be available to delete from the main site. Yes, it's available to delete. So I can now delete this plugin. Same for the Elementor. So right now it's active. Let's go to the child site on another browser tab. Sorry about that. So go to plugin. So I don't want to use Elementor, but there has no option to deactive from there. So at first I will have to deactive from the root site. So it's deactive. Now if I go back here, click to reload, it's also deactive there. Now you will find the delete button. But if it's deactive here, that means the child or network site, but active in the child site, so it's active in the child site. Let's go back to the main site. So reload. It's not active for the child site, but there has no option to delete. That means one of the child website is using this plugin, so you cannot delete at this moment. So at first you will have to deactive from there. Then go back here, make a reload, and then you can delete the plugin. And same for this one. But for the theme, it will be a bit different. So let's go to theme. Let's go to add new theme. And let's install the 2025. So it's just installed, but not activated. So you can delete from there. So if you go to themes, you will see it's not available here because you did not enable the network option. That means this theme is not available for all the network or the child site. So if you enable from there, so it's network enable, and here you found the theme enable. Now if you go there and reload, to active the theme for a specific network site, we'll have to go to the sites. So if you go to sites, go to edit, and there you will find the option. So here is the theme option. So I would like to enable 25 at first. Now go back to our child site. So 25 is active. I can also active extra from here. So reload on the child site, you will see extra is available. But I have not activated yet on my child site. I just enabled from there. So if you go back to the themes, you will find the delete option for two themes, because none of the theme has been used for a child site. That's why you can delete. But if you active the extra for a child site, you will not get a delete option there. So delete option is gone for this, but delete option is available for two themes. So it might be sounds like a bit complicated, but don't worry. If you practice more day by day, it will be very easy. Then you can easily manage theme plugins for a child site, and for the user it will be something like that. You have to approve from your main site or the root site, then it will be available for the child site. So if you face any issue or having any confusion, don't hesitate to comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching the video, and see you on the next time.